It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 3-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.